Say crack again. Crack. Welcome! Welcome to Illyria. Welcome, 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 welcome to Illyria. I just want to say welcome. See how you're doing? Name that movie. But seriously, welcome to my video. If you watched my last one and you're back for a second, I love you. If this is the first time you're seeing me, that's fine too. Appreciate it. So today we're gonna do this look. It's like soft glam with a pop of color. Who doesn't love that? It's super simple, pretty quick, so keep watching. Finger guns. Okay, thanks. I've already done my face today, so I'm just gonna do eyes. So I think I'm gonna do something simple with a little pop of color in the inner corner. Who hasn't done that? I think I'm either gonna do this purple. It's one of the NYX cream colors, or I might use this blue. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. First, I'm gonna start with this one. It's a good transition color. Used it in my last video. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple until we do the pop of color, and even then it's gonna be a nice little pop. Hopefully it turns out good. I like to really blow out my eyeshadow, unless I'm doing something specific, but I really like blown out. Oh, whoops. I hope that's an eyebrow hair and not an eyelash, because that was an eyelash. Oh, 2 eyelashes. No. I'm just dragging it out because I'm gonna do liner today, I believe. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do liquid or dark pencil. We'll see. What are you doing? You wanna come hang out with me? I have a foster dog right now and he's really, are you looking in the mirror? Don't eat my makeup though. He's smelling it. I kinda wanna put it a little closer in too, because I'm not gonna do a full color on the lid, I don't think. I'm gonna leave like this. I don't think I'm gonna leave that much open. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a little bit of a more precise brush. Of course it's dirty. Now that I've sufficiently cleaned off a dirty brush, it's brown, and that's what we're using, so it's fine. I'm gonna use this color right there. I'm just gonna do mostly on the inner corner. I'll bring some ins here, but not too much. Oh, and he's gone. Okay, bye. I'm being like really, the farther you hold back your brush, it's a lot lighter strokes. It's a lot less precise, which is fine by me because I'm not trying to get the color too deep yet. I'm trying to work my way up there. So I'm going back in and just building it up until I find that I like it. And I feel like I have even friends who are like, oh, I don't know how to, my makeup's it's never that good. I never can have that good of makeup. I'm just not good at it. It's like, no, I promise you can. I just feel like people don't want to take the time that they probably need to spend like blending and stuff. Like, and maybe they don't enjoy it as much as, I don't know, people on YouTube who do makeup, and that's totally fine. Really, anyone can do this, especially this. This is gonna be maybe 4 colors, 3 for sure, maybe 4 if I want to darken this even more. But like, I think I'm just gonna use this until it's dark enough. Honestly, anyone can do this. It takes a little bit of time. It's not gonna be super quick. And I don't mind that because I enjoy it. There we go. That I'm just like tapping in. So now I'm gonna go back in with my original brush with no color on it and just blend that again. And I don't mind if it gets too close to my eyebrows. I like it. I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner now. I'm a little nervous. All nervous.
Lord, bear me strength.
I used to be You know what? I used to feel really confident in my eyeliner. Don't know if it was great. Don't know if my confidence was merited, but I felt really confident. And then I stopped using eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, for a really long time. Now I'm back at it and I don't feel as confident anymore. Oh, I'm gonna use the NYX Epic ink liner. Last time it bled so much on my eyeball. It bled much closer towards my tear duct than it did out here, and it ruined a great look. I copied Sam Ravindall, who recreated a Patrick Ta Gigi Hadid look. If I'm wrong, I'll put it in text right here. But it's definitely Gigi Hadid, and I think Patrick Ta did it. If not, I will correct myself. Actually. Okay, see, now that's great. Small, but goes out a little bit. The question will be if I can duplicate it. This eye never looks the same as that eye. Eyebrows, eyeliner, nothing. Those are not the same. Okay, that's close enough. I didn't bring the eyeliner all the way in because I'm a little nervous that it's gonna bleed like it did last time. So we're gonna leave it here and it's gonna be fine. Second cup of TikTok coffee today. Yes, I make the TikTok coffee, and no, I don't even watch TikTok. I've seen some. I mean, how could I have found this if I didn't watch it? But I don't have the app. I think the dancing ones are super cringe. I could go on forever about those. There are some really funny ones, and I've seen some funny ones, but some of them are just... So with the purple, I'm gonna use a brush, but I'm also going to put a little oil in this just to make it a little creamy, because these dry out, as you can see, like it's already cracking. Not already, I've had this for a couple months, but it cracks. Say crack again. Crack. I don't know if this is safe, so please don't use this if you don't feel comfortable, but I'm just gonna use this like light argan oil, like the tiniest. There we go. The tiniest drop. You can barely see it. There it is. I am not an eye doctor. I'm a girl on YouTube. I'm putting my own health at risk, not yours. I'm kidding. It should be fine. For me. So I've like coated my brush. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm gonna tap it out with my finger. Oh, okay, yeah. That's like blowing it out much better. Oh, that's okay. Well, okay. It's kind of cool. I'm so impressed with myself. Oh, do I want to do fake eyelashes? Why not? Why not? We're gonna try it. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut them though. Your breath smells. Gotta keep them honest. Tough love, you know? My boyfriend has been helping me with the doggy. And he went home to like get some clean clothes, do some laundry. My dog misses him so much. He's not my dog, but you know, my foster dog. He stayed at the window, like just for hours. Poor guy. I'm trying to tell him he's coming back tomorrow, but he doesn't get it. It breaks my heart because he also just, like, where's that energy for me? Just kidding, apparently he did that for me too. So these are the Ardell Naked Lashes in 421. and I'm using the Duo glue. It changes like color when it's drying, which I find very helpful because I am not a lash connoisseur. I'm a natural lash girl, but these have been really helpful. They're not thick on the band, so they don't feel too heavy here. It's easy to readjust them and they don't mess up too much. Also look down at the lashes. Oh my gosh, what a big sigh we just did. So dramatic. Honestly, he probably gets it from me. I am known to be dramatic. I haven't done mascara yet. I'll do a tiny bit at the end, but I will curl my eyelashes first. I don't even know why I'm drinking a second cup of this. It's just so good. Okay, so those look decent. And last time I said I've only been using waterproof because it kept a curl, but with these I have lashes on, so I've already curled my lashes, so it's not super important. So I'm just gonna use the same mascara, just in regular. The Luminous Lash Paradise in Blackest Black. And regular, non-waterproof. I'm doing very little mascara up top. Normally I would like set this purple with the purple eyeshadow, but I don't have a light purple eyeshadow. And so I might just take a little bit of translucent powder that I use for my face. I'm just gonna set that with a clean brush and just a little bit of translucent powder for my inner corner. The lightest of touches. And because we're still in a pandemic, I'm really not going anywhere. I might walk the dog at the end of the day, and even that, I don't care what I look like for that. So I'm not really worried if stuff comes off, but you know, for the future or just in general, a little tip, just set it like very lightly so it doesn't dull the color. So for lips, I'm going to use the Colourpop Lippie pencil in another round. I think this is a little pink. I'm gonna use the MAC Whirl lip liner to just darken this a little so it's not too pink. Let's see how this does. And I'm gonna pair it with the Lilah B Be Romantic, oh my god, Lovingly Lip Tinted Lip Oil. This is the tiniest writing. How dare you? This color is so pretty and it smells like strawberries. So good. This is clean makeup too, which is great. Okay guys, this is the final look. I actually really like how it turned out. I like how bright the purple looks, but it's still pastel-y. Yep, that's a word. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you made it to the end, you're a real one. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this was a fun little break from whatever else you've been doing. Okay, thanks. As long as he doesn't start barking at the window again. Okay, someone called me, so my phone went berserkshires. Berserkshires? Does anyone watch Real Housewives of New York? Hooray!